Say you're sitting at your desk, bored and scrolling through the same websites you have seen 100 times. You're looking for something fresh and intriguing, a hidden gem on the internet that you have never discovered before. You recall your friend suggesting some great and entertaining websites, but you can't remember their names. Just then, you come across a treasure map, a collection of fascinating and intriguing websites that promise to spark your interest and entertain you. Each one provides a new challenge from tackling real time cyber attacks to painting and even determining whether a website is down for everyone or just for you.
Are you ready?
Counter these digital wonders, let's dive in and discover these interesting websites.
If you type Google into Google, you can break the internet. So please, no one try it.
First one is the 10-minute mail, a temporary email service that provides disposable email addresses, useful for avoiding spam when signing up for online services. The email address is self-destructible after 10 minutes, ensuring privacy. It is a handy tool for quick and anonymous communication. The interface is simple, making it easy to generate and use temporary emails. Next one is the threat type Bitdefender. This interactive map shows real-time cyber attack data. It visualizes global hacking services, highlighting attack types and origins. The map is updated continuously, providing up-to-date information. It's a useful tool for understanding the scale and nature of cyber threats. The platform is part of Bitdefender's security solutions, emphasizing threat awareness. If you are in the channel for the first time, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such curious topics like this, as it would really mean a lot. Next one is Have I Been Pawned, a security website that helps you check if an email or phone number has been part of a data breach or not. It collects and analyzes data from various breaches to provide accurate results. You can subscribe to notifications to be alerted for future breaches. Created by a security expert, Troy Hunt, it is a trusted resource for privacy protection. The site also offers a service for website owners to check if their users are affected. Next one is Down for Everything or Just Me. This simple tool lets you check if a website is down for everyone or just you. It's quick, determines the status of a site by pinging its servers. Useful for troubleshooting internet connectivity issues. It saves time by confirming whether a website is generally inaccessible. The internet is straightforward, making it easy to use. Next one is Flight Radar 24, a live flight tracking service that provides real-time information on flights worldwide. You can view aircraft positions, flight numbers, destination, and more. The interactive map allows users to track flights over specific areas. It's popular among aviation enthusiasts, travelers, and professionals. This service also offers detailed flight history and playback features. Next one is Quick Draw Google, an online game that challenges you to draw objects based on prompts.
I see circle, or moon, or frying pan, or elephant. I see backpack, or mouse, or bear. Oh, I know, it's monkey.
Developed by Google, it uses machine learning to recognize the drawings. It's both fun and educational, showing capabilities of image recognition. The game provides feedback on your drawings, improving your skills over time. It's a popular tool for both casual users and those interested in AI.
I see avocado. Sorry, I couldn't guess it.
Next one is CamelCamelCamel.com, a price tracking website for Amazon products. It provides historical price data, helping you make informed purchasing decisions. You can set up price drop alerts to get notified when a product hits your desired price. The site offers browser extensions for easy access while shopping. It is a valuable resource for savvy shoppers looking to save money. Next one is FakeNameGenerator.com. Generates realistic fake identities for various users, provides names, addresses, phone numbers, and other personal details. Useful for testing, privacy protection, and creative projects. You can customize the generated identities based on region and other criteria. It is a reliable tool for anyone needing fictitious personal information. Next one we have in the list is Account Killer. Offers a great guide to delete accounts from various online services. The site categorizes service-based accounts on the difficulty of account deletion. Provides direct link and instructions for account removal, aimed at helping users protect their privacy by removing unwanted accounts. It's a comprehensive resource for managing your online presence. Next one is one of my favorite, a good movie to watch. Recommends high quality movies to watch. Focuses on lesser known critically acclaimed films. Offers personalized recommendations based on your preferences. Helps you discover hidden gem you might have missed. This site also provides reviews and ratings for each movie to enhance your viewing experience. Next one is Madeon's Adventure Machine, an interactive music creation tool by artist Madeon. Lets you mix and match sounds to create unique tracks. The interface is user-friendly, designed for both novices and enthusiasts. It's a fun way to explore music, production, and creativity. The tool showcases Madeon's distinctive sound and style. Next one is Instructables, a community-driven site for DIY projects and tutorials. Covers a wide range of topics from electronics to cooking. Users can share their own projects and follow detailed instructions. It's a great resource for hobbyists and makers of all skill levels. The site encourages creativity and hands-on learning. Next one is cloudconvert, an online file conversion tool supporting various file types. You can convert images, documents, audio, video, and more. The service is fast and easy to use with no software installation required. Supports batch conversions and custom settings. It is a versatile tool for anyone needing quick file format changes. Next one is the online tone generator, a website-based tool for generating audio tones, useful for testing audio equipment and hearing. You can customize the frequency and duration of tones. The interface is simple, making it accessible to all users. It is a handy utility for audio professionals and enthusiasts. Next one in the list is You're Getting Old, a whimsical website that provides insights into aging. Enter your birth date to see fun statistics about your life. The site calculates how much days you have lived, historical events, and more. It is a light-hearted way to reflect on times and personal milestones. The design is engaging, making it enjoyable to explore.
If you know any interesting, amazing websites, please comment below.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.